I'm going to do a quick tear down and clean out of the Dyson Hot and Cold. This will show you how to actually clean out the insides of it when it gets very dusty, but also if you watch the end I'll show you a few tips to look out for to make sure you don't damage it. Now, I've already unscrewed it all, so it saves a bit of time. The bit I was using is a T... is a T9. Doesn't have to be security, just has to be one with the star shape patterns. So to unscrew it, 2 screws here, then 2 screws on the opposite side. And when you open it up, as you can see, this one here is particularly bad. Crazy. So now the things to watch out for is when you dismantle it, you have to make sure you don't sever the wires at the back here. There's some wires that go from the base up through to the fan motor. Have to make sure when you're moving the fan motor, or the fan power supply off, that it doesn't damage these 2 wires.